What's up, guys? Jacob here with another product spotlight video for you guys. This today is going to be our fuel filter head rebuild kits for your 2001 to 2010 LB7, LLY, LBZ, and LMM Duramax. That's going to be our part number ZZ-0047, as well as we offer a kit for you guys with your LML trucks. Part number on it is a ZZ-0113. These kits are awesome. They're going to come with all the gaskets and seals needed to replace and fix your fuel filter head on your Duramax pickup truck. So one of the things we want to talk about today, obviously, is the fact that it comes with every single seal here that's going to be needed. The one that we have laid out right now is going to be for you LML guys. Your earlier one's going to be very similar, a little bit different, but very similar. You guys may be experiencing a hard starting issue with your truck, dying while driving. There can be quite a few little different things that happens that's going to be fuel related for you guys. One of those issues can be easily fixed with these kits here that we offer, just to rebuild the seals in the fuel filter head assembly, which is where your primer valve is at. For some of you guys that know about that on your Duramax, you may be sitting there priming it, trying to get prime, and then you start your truck and it dies. You may just need to rebuild the fuel filter head with a simple rebuild kit. A lot of guys are replacing fuel filter heads. Sometimes that is a necessary thing to do. If you need an entire fuel filter head, we offer that as well. But in most cases, you can do it with this cheap, simple, easy seal kit that you can rebuild in-house within about 30 minutes or less. If you guys have any questions about our fuel filter head rebuild kits, or any Duramax parts for that matter, give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688. You can find all these parts on our website, zzdiesel.com, as well as many other Duramax parts, seals, gaskets, things that can be a cheap fix for your Duramax pickup truck.